New Zealand is a really challenging place to build.
We've got 2 tectonic plates that run through the length of this country.
It's on the Pacific Rim of fire, so volcanoes, earthquakes, pretty unpredictable stuff.
We've had a couple of significant earthquakes. We played a big part in the rebuilding of the city after those events.
No one's immune from crises and issues out there.
We expect it, and we plan for it, and we build for it.
It's tough, it's challenging, and it's technical.
For myself personally, working on Te Marapihi, it's been an awesome journey. I was a kid when that building got built and opened up. When it closed down, it's been quite sad for the city to lose that asset, as it's the heart of the city.
We've lost a lot through the seismic activity over the last 10 years. We need to bring people back to the city.
There's a lot of work going on behind those hoardings and a lot of effort being put in to revitalise that building.
We've got to balance the earthquake requirements and making the buildings strong and resilient. But we've got a need to preserve the heritage fabric in these buildings.
To bring it back to life and revitalise it, and then to see it handed over and people inside it is going to be really rewarding.
When an earthquake starts happening, essentially the lower foundation, which is the ground, moves separately from the superstructure above. So it's got sliders, which are a large sort of frictionless surface, like an ice hockey park, and it allows the building to move 800 millimetres in any direction.
This building will move, but we'll be moving with it.
The success or failure of building has a tangible outcome to people who use those buildings and how people live their life.
Construction plays a vital role for communities. It creates jobs, improves infrastructure. The buildings that we're working on, they create spaces for people to thrive.
But ultimately, what we touch turns into real objects for people to use.
There is a deeper responsibility to make sure our cities are safe, and that all starts with building.
So the National Archive is a 10-storey building that houses New Zealand's archives.
There's a huge amount of engineering that no one will really get to see.
The real complexity in this building has gone into the services that support it. There's a larger responsibility in this project. This building is going to host New Zealand's history, so this building needs to last. It needs to be built sustainably. It needs to be built in collaboration with the Indigenous people of this land.
The nuance to it all is being able to incorporate these new technologies around seismicity and strengthening while keeping the look and feel of the building.
We've got a proud history in New Zealand. We're pretty innovative in terms of our pioneering roots.
Technology isn't just nice to have, it's essential. It helps us build smarter, faster and safer.
If we can build things quickly and efficient, it brings down costs, it makes a lot of opportunities and projects more viable.
When we first started using Procore 11 years ago, it was innovative, but they didn't stop there.
It's developed into the most commonly used construction platform in New Zealand. We like to think that we're a part of that.
We see Procore as a partner. We're both committed to mutual success.
We want to be producing good buildings that stand the test of time.
We're part of the 3rd generation of this business.
Over our 75 years, we just feel so grateful to have a legacy like we do.
You can see the importance of respecting our past, but also be really focused on the future.
We can't stop striving to be better, because the day we do is the day that we no longer succeed.
He waka eke noa mō te āpopo. Building for a better tomorrow.